Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to design quotes and text slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, what we are going to do here, we will format our slide. So we will add a background image for this. Okay, we will select our slide and basically we will go into this design tab and we will select on this where it says format background. Then we will click on picture or fill, then insert here. Then we will basically go for some stock images here. So we will wait until this is loads up. So here you can see that we have these stock images. So let's suppose if you want to use this image, you will click on this one and then click on insert, and basically it will first download this image and then it will insert this as a background like this. And I just wanted to remove all of this, so I will just remove this. Now you have to add a text. Okay, so how you can do this, we will go into this insert here, then we will go to text box, and then I will basically insert a text box here. Okay, like this one, and in it I will just insert the text. Now we have to insert the quote in it, so we will go online here and basically we will copy some of the basically quotes here. So let's suppose I want to use I will use basically these quotes here. Every child is an artist, the problem is staying an artist when you grow up. Okay, so let's what okay, let's do this one. Basically copy this, go into your presentation and just paste it here like this one. Okay, now basically if you want, you can basically more customize it. And how you will do this, basically that you will just select the text here and first of all make it bold. Then if you want, you can basically change the font here, and then you can always like add the background color as well. Okay, like which suits it, like this one or this one, and basically you have to increase the size as well. So so that's how you can basically like make quotes and like design text slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.